In this video, I want to show you how to fix the photo application problem in Windows 10. I was trying to open a photo, and you see I got this problem in the photo application saying that this app cannot open, and it's telling me to copy to the clipboard the error. So to fix this, do the following. Click on close here. So this is a problem still. Open settings by pressing Windows I on your keyboard, and then go to apps. Search for the Photos app by typing Photos in the search box, and then select Microsoft Photos. Click on Advanced Options, and here you have two options, Repair and Reset. The Repair option doesn't delete the settings of the application, and the Reset option, it will delete the settings of the application, but not the photos or the videos that you already taken. So try Repair first. I just clicked on Repair and I'm waiting for it to repair. Now try the Photos app once again. If it doesn't work, try Reset. Click on Reset, and then click on Reset once again. And then let's try it now. And you see that the application now is working. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.